In this tutorial, I'll show you several settings you can change to make Chrome feel faster and more responsive and speed up Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, click Settings. Now, at the top of the Settings page, click the search box and type Preload. Look for the option called Preload Pages. Make sure this setting is turned on. If you see an option for extended preloading, turn that on as well. These settings allow Chrome to prepare certain pages before you open them, which can help websites load more quickly. Now, let's move on to another setting that can help Chrome perform better. At the top of the Settings page, click the search box again. This time, type Acceleration. Look for Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Depending on your version of Chrome, it may also be called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Make sure the toggle is turned on. If you had to change the setting, Chrome may ask you to relaunch. When that happens, click Relaunch to apply the change. Now that the performance settings are adjusted, let's make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. On the left side of the Settings page, click About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, wait for it to finish downloading. Then click Relaunch to install the update. Keeping Chrome updated can improve performance, fix bugs, and make sure you're using the latest optimizations. Another common reason Chrome can feel slow is having too many extensions running in the background. To check them, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then hover your mouse over Extensions. From the menu that appears, click Manage Extensions. You'll now see all of the extensions installed in Chrome. Look through the list and find any extensions you no longer use. If you want to keep an extension but stop it from running, simply turn the toggle off. If you don't need it anymore, click Remove. Then, in the confirmation window, click Remove again. Removing unnecessary extensions can reduce background activity and help Chrome run more smoothly. Now, let's try one more advanced Chrome setting. Click the address bar at the top of the browser. Then type Chrome//flags and press Enter. Once the page opens, click the search box at the top. Type QUIC. Under the Available section, look for Experimental QUIC Protocol. This will usually be set to default. If it is, click the drop-down menu on the right side. Then select Enabled. Chrome may now show a button asking you to relaunch the browser. If it appears, click Relaunch. If Chrome is still running slowly after trying the previous steps, there's one more option you can use. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then click Settings. On the left side, click Reset Settings. Now click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation window will appear. Before continuing, keep in mind that this will reset Chrome settings, disable extensions, and remove cookies and other temporary site data. Your saved passwords, bookmarks, and browsing history should not be deleted by this reset. If you're ready to continue, click the blue Reset Settings button. Chrome will now restore its default settings, which can help fix problems caused by incorrect settings or unwanted browser changes. If this tutorial helped make Chrome faster for you, subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step tutorials that help you fix everyday technology problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.